hit the blacktop, nigga lace up.
Wanna know pain? Look me in my fucking face, out for life's fruit. Hope to God I get a taste. Hard to be straight when them bills coming in. Pops in the pen, no this can't be life. Acting ass in the class, he just can't get right. Distributing packages, the man of the Krilla. Part of the reason he don't fuck with no niggas, cause the ones you trust do ya. Cain killed Abel. Coming up in my crib, we ain't even had cable. So that shit you took for granted was the shit that I earned. Shit motherfuckers gave you was the shit that I earned. Hopefully motherfuckers get the picture. Scrolling through my phone, reading random texts, trying to find a bitch that offers something more than sex. Mind clicking, trigger finger itching, no emotion in my stare. Fucked up, realizing once friends never cared. Back against the wall, what did you expect? Got an old soul, nigga, I would die for my rep. Learn from mistakes, but I might make them again. Just let me get away, cause I don't wanna see the pen. Live fast, sip slow. In my neighborhood, your dad be your big bro. Get dope, nigga get mo. Any given time they could be coming through your front door. Stand firm, don't tell. Always knew it was a risk, you could go to jail. Hope you got a plan and not living blind, cause the devil's workshop is fucking idle time. Looking at my sister fighting for her life, make me second guess wrong from what's right. They say the good die young and she ain't heard a soul, but over some things you have no control. Keep her in my prayers, always in my thoughts. Got more on my mind than some shit I bought. Haven't seen her lately, need to stop by. But every time I walk in, it's hard to not cry. Never dealt good with emotions, so I turn the bottle up and fucking call it coping. Close it all off and never let it open. Gotta map my shit out, motherfuckers die hoping. Cause in this life you ain't granted shit, so I'ma go get it. You consider I'm content, got a penny for your thoughts, but who the hell cares? Never struggle with you, but expecting you to share. Got a text, no reply. No time to waste, sprinting to the Fetty till my fucking feet ache. No sleep, no breaks, running uphill. Never seen shit come to a nigga sitting still. Mind over matter, hard times don't last, so I'ma keep trying, down to my last. We eating over here, while y'all niggas fast. Wish they were free D-Ray and my Uncle Fast. Tell them, live fast, sip slow. In my neighborhood, your dad be your big bro. Get dope, nigga get mo. Any given time they could be coming through your front door. Stand firm, don't tell. Always knew it was a risk, you could go to jail. Hope you got